Hi guys, in this video I'm going to share with you 12 websites that can make you money with affiliate marketing. Let's go. Number 1 is Adorama. Adorama is a website to shop the best photography equipment, digital cameras, lenses, pro audio and video, professional gear, and musical instruments from top brands. It is free to join. It has 2% base commission with performance-based incentives, over $500 average order size, no limit to how much you can earn, and it has a 30-day cookie windows. So 30-day cookie windows means whoever click on the link, the unique link that you provided with the website, whatever they purchase within the 30 days period of time after they click that link, you will be able to make commission from that. Adorama is great for if you're a musician or even if you're music teachers, creators, even if you are a YouTuber. I think this is great for you to have a side income. Number 2 is AliExpress. I have joined AliExpress affiliate program since maybe 3 months ago, and I have already made I think around $10 just by adding the product link to the description of my unboxing videos. And I don't have many views. I don't have like thousands of views on my unboxing video. The commission rate is between 3% to 5%. So how it works is you register and then you get links, and then you promote the links with the products, and then you will get paid afterwards. So AliExpress is basically just like Amazon.com, but it promotes product that it's from the small businesses in China, and which means you'll get a much cheaper price and you will have much more choices when it comes to products, right? And number 3 is Amazon. And Amazon Associates program helps content creators, publishers, and bloggers monetize their traffic. The commission rate is from 0% to 20%. It's suitable for everyone, especially gamers, in my personal opinion, because games, Amazon games, the commission they're offering, it's 20%, and that's the highest commission rate for Amazon Associates program. So if you are a gamer, and then, or even if you just have a blog and then you want to promote some product that you use, or if you have a, let's say an Instagram and then or a cooking website, and then you want to promote some product that, you know, like a mixer or oven that you are using, then I'll definitely recommend to check out Amazon to promote the product and then get some commission on the side. Number 4 is Apple service. Now, I didn't know this until I dig a little deeper. So Apple service, which is called also the Performance Partners Program, provides a unique way for your website or app to link to Apple service content, earn commissions on qualifying Apple Music membership, as well as sales of music, TV shows, books, audiobooks, movies, and more. So the commission rate is up to 400%. The commission rate for Apple News Plus, it's one-time 400% commission on Apple News Plus membership. So if you successfully joined this program, because it does have some requirements for you to join, you have to be either a creator or a publisher or a website content site with a lot of traffic. They have limited space for people like that. Then you can consider joining this program. And once someone signed up to Apple News Plus membership or TV Plus membership or Apple Music membership, then within 30 days after they click that link, because the cookie window is 30 days, then you will get from 100% commission to 400% commission. If you're a musician yourself and then you have already released your album on iTunes, Spotify, Apple Music, then you should definitely check this out, because when you are promoting your music on the your social media, you should use this link. Then if anyone purchases your music or anyone joins the membership because of you, then you will get the commission up to 400%. And number 5, it's B&H Photo Video. B&H Photo Video is an American photo and video equipment retailer founded in 1973, based in Manhattan, New York City. It's just like Best Buy. It's you know, it's a little bit smaller. It's not that, you know, big. But they do have a big website that offers the affiliate program, offers commission rate from 2% to 8%. It's suitable for everyone, including photographers, video editors, influencers, bloggers, vloggers, blah, blah, blah. And you can just apply their affiliate program at their website. So this is their website, and you just go down to the down page. Usually this is where the affiliate program is. Now let's have a look. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Okay, and then we go, or you can just go to my article on medium.com, where I will put all the information, including the link to sign up to the all kinds of different affiliate programs that I mentioned in this video. Earn 2% base commission on 450,000 plus products, with possibility to earn a higher percentage contingent upon performance, and earn 8% commission on 3,000 plus products from the following brands. Then there are many brands for you to choose from. You can also, just like Amazon, you can also have a Chrome plugin. When you want to include the link, special affiliate link in your, in your description of your video or on your Instagram profile, then you just have to copy this special link. All right, the next one is backcountry.com. Backcountry.com is an online specialty retailer based in Utah that sells clothing and outdoor recreation gear for hiking, camping, road biking, mountain biking, rock climbing, winter sports, fly fishing, kayaking, rafting, road and trail running, and more. So I think this is perfect for outdoor sports lovers. Let's say if you have like a GoPro and then you're shooting about your adventures every day, or maybe if you love traveling, hiking, go skiing, this is definitely the one that you want to check it out. The commission rate is between 4% to 12% on every sale, depending on volume, and the cookie window is 30 days. It's 30 days, amazing. Just so you know, Amazon only have 24 hours cookie window, so you can only get commission if someone purchased anything within 24 hours after they click the link that you provided. So compared to 30 days, 24 hours is only 1 day. And number 7, it's bassproshop. I don't live in the US, but I remember I see this logo somewhere in the movie when someone goes to a fishing shop to purchase fishing gears, or maybe they just go to the fishing shop. Somehow that fishing shop always becomes like a hiding spot for gangs or like for drug dealing purposes for some reason in the movies that I saw. Bass Pro Shop specializes in hunting, fishing, camping, and other related outdoor recreation merchandise. With headquarters in Springfield, Missouri, Bass Pro Shops employs a workforce of about 40,000 with 170 retail locations across US and Canada. So it's a pretty big company. They have 40,000 people working for them and have 170 retail locations in US and Canada. So I think it's a pretty reputable company for you to work for as an affiliate partner. And the commission rate is between 1% to 5%, depending on the product sold. Basically, all the products have a 5% commission rate except ammunition and weapons. Ammunition and weapons are at a lower commission percentage, so I think that's where the 1% comes from. Compared to Amazon, which have a fixed commission rate of 30% for the outdoors category, I think 5% is quite generous. So if your dad loves fishing, I recommend you, using this advantage to sell this to him if you want to buy something online for his fishing trip next weekend. Then this is definitely where you step in and say, hey dad, what do you want to buy? Let me give you the affiliate links. You can find the link to apply for the program in my article on medium.com, which I will include in the description. Number 8 is Bloomingdales. Bloomingdales is a American's luxury department store, and they also have a affiliate program online for their e-commerce website. The commission rate is 2%. I guess if you're an influencer on Instagram and if you are in love with these, designer clothes, this is definitely your chance to make money from Bloomingdale. Bloomingdale's sell a lot of expensive clothes and bags and shoes. They have brands like Canada Goose, Tory Burch for bags. They have Balenciaga, Burberry, Chloe, Longchamp. Let's say if someone purchased this Balenciaga Hourglass small leather top handle bag, which is $2,500, and then you get 2% commission, that would be $50. You get $50. If you are an influencer, if you are a fashion blogger or vlogger, then you definitely want to try this one out. The cookie window is the best one within all these ones that I talk about. It's 90 days. I think because Bloomingdale knows when people purchase an expensive bag like $2,000 bag, you would definitely take longer time than to purchase like a $50 thing on Amazon.com. So 90 days cookie window is what you will have when you sign up to the Bloomingdale's affiliate program. And number 9 is Book Depository. Book Depository is UK-based online bookseller with a large catalog offered with free shipping to over 160 countries. No minimum order required. The store was founded by a former Amazon employee, and in 2011 it was acquired by Amazon. So right now it's actually a baby Amazon, but what's different than Amazon is it offers free shipping, even if you just bought one book. The commission rate is 5% and it has a 30-day cookie window. Number 10, Chewy. Chewy is a US-based, US-focused pet supply website. So on chewy.com, you can get all kinds of different pet supplies, including dog food, cat food. They even have their own pharmacies for pets, so you can also get medication for your pet as well. Chewy.com it's like up and coming Amazon for pets. It has a 15 days cookie window. The thing is, it's solely focused on US shoppers. So if you live outside of US, then maybe this one is not so perfect for you. It's suitable for pet owners in the US, or if you're a small pet shop in the US, pet training school, I don't know. If you have content related to dogs and cats, then this one is for you. Number 11, Wordery, another online book seller based in UK, offers free worldwide shipping with every order. I think Wordery is pretty UK, pretty British. So if you're in the UK, this one is for you, okay? It offers a competitive commission, 5% for the new customers order and 2% for existing orders on all sales. It has an average order value of £20 and more, according to the site. It has a 30-day cookie window and an average conversion rate of 25% seen by our current affiliates. So if you are based in the UK and you love books, or if you're a student and then you have a book club, or if you're parents, nerds in the UK, try this one out. Number 12 is GameStop. GameStop Corporation is an American video game, consumer electronics, and gaming merchandise retailer. The company is headquartered in Grapevine, Texas, and it's the largest video game retailer worldwide. And it offers 1% commission for digital games and subscriptions, and up to 5% commission to pre-owned games and collectibles. The cookie window is similar to Amazon. It's only 24 hours. One thing to note that is the GameStop affiliate program pays out commission in USD within 24 hours. So which means if someone purchase the digital games, let's say I don't know, Monopoly, and Monopoly digital version. I don't play games, I don't know. Automatically it would be shipped to the purchasers, the someone who purchased on their phone or iPad or I don't know, computer, whatever, right? You will be paid within 24 hours after they receive the game. There's another thing that you have to note. Because of the variations in pricing and availability of our products, GameStop specify that you may not including the pricing information when you're promoting the affiliate link in your description or anywhere on your site for the product that you're promoting. So if you join the GameStop affiliate program, then you just have to be careful, not mention or specify the pricing. So that's it for today's video. I hope you find something that's suitable to fit your audience that you could promote through your social media. Either it's TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook groups. Stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.